Today's lesson is number 11, adjectives. What is the difference between sweater and that white turned sweater? What is the difference between sweater and that white turned sweater? Sweater means any sweater at all. That while the turned modify, change the meaning of the sweater from any sweater to the particular sweater. These words are adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a pronoun. Like here are some more examples. Light rain fell. So rain is light rain fell. So here rain is noun and light is adjective of rain, and the adjective light modifies the noun rain. Number 2, John wore red shoes. John wore red shoes. Here red is the adjective and shoes is the noun. The adjective red modifies the noun shoes. Number 3, he was angry. He is here the pronoun and his adjective is angry. The adjective angry modifies the noun he. Adjective give information. Adjectives gives information by answering such question and as what kind, which one. Adjective give information by answering such question at what kind, which one, how many, whose, what kind, blue sky, rainy day, early Isar, which one, this book, first job, second floor, how many, 4 girls, many reason, few failures, whose, my brother, your face, his wallet. So this question gives the answer of adjective. So adjective gives information the answering such question as what kind, which one, how many, whose. These are adjective. Question: how many adjectives are there in the following? Two husky, rough-coated dogs trotted out as we approached the farmhouse, and we called to them in a friendly way, but they were watchful and suspicious. How many adjectives are there in the following? Two husky, rough-coated dogs trotted out as we approached the farmhouse. We called to them in a friendly way. They were watchful and suspicious. So how many adjectives? Two husky, one adjective. Rough-coated, adjective 2. Trotted out, 3 adjective, 3 है हो गया 3. There is we approached them, the farmhouse. We called them and friendly. Okay. 2 adjectives, 8 adjectives. 2 husky, 2 word, and 2 husky and rough coated, 5 words, 5 words. And also the also adjective a and friendly, watchful and suspicious. These all the adjectives. Rough coated modifies the noun dogs. The modifies the noun farmhouse. Friendly modifies the noun way. Suspicious modifies the pronoun they. Note the a and the most frequently encountered of all adjectives are called articles. Since they are appeared so often, we can agree to exclude them when identifying adjectives. Exercise 1. In each sentence below, find an adjective and explain what it modifies. In each sentence below, find an adjective and explains what is modifier. Samples. We sat in the 5 row. Adjective. Sample and modifiers in row. We sat in the first row. Modifiers first row. So adjective is the first and modifiers the noun row. She was hungry. Adjective. She was unhappy. Here unhappy is the adjective and modifiers pronoun she. They were early. The adjective is early and modifiers pronoun they. Ted had no money. Adjective is no money and modified Ted. Two birds flew into the trees. Two birds flew into the trees. Into the trees was the adjective and modifies two birds. Are the rolls fresh? Fresh is the adjective and modifies noun rolls. You look pale. Pale is here the adjective and modifies you. The noise was ear splitting. Adjective is ear splitting and that modifies noise. Warmer weather in on the way. Adjective is the warmer weather and warmer and adjective is the warmer and modifies weather. The results were poor. Adjective is poor. What modifies results? She has 3 brothers. Here adjective is 3 brothers and modifies she. They 30 people applied for the job. Adjective was the applied for the job and what modifies 30 people. Proper adjective. Recall from lesson 4, page number 24. The proper pronouns Candela, Shakespeare, etc. are capitalized. The adjective formed from proper nouns Candian, Shakespeare, etc. generally are capitalized too. They are called proper adjectives. Here are some proper nouns and proper adjectives that can be formed from them. Proper noun China. Proper adjective Chinese food. Jefferson and proper adjective Jefferson's democracy. A proper noun Egypt. Egyptian pyramids the proper adjective. France is the proper noun. French perfume is the proper adjective. Rome here is the noun and Roman art is the proper adjective. Composition hit. Make your writing more concise by replying a wordly expression with an adjective. Make your writing more concise by replacing a word expression in the with an adjective. Wordy. The diplomat visits several nations on the continent of Africa. Concise. The diplomat visited several African nations. Here Africa is the noun, but here African is the adjective. So make your writing more concise by replacing wordly expression with an adjective. And second, wordy. Avoid decisions that are made in hasty. Avoid decisions that are made in hasty. So how to write? Avoid decisions. Avoid hasty decisions. Avoid hasty decisions. Here hasty is the adjective. Exercise 2. Rewrite the sentence using an adjective instead of italicized expression. Exercise 2. Rewrite the sentence using an adjective instead of italicized expression. Many dealers sell products manufactured in Japan. Many dealers sell products manufactured in Japan. Rewrite the sentence using an adjective instead of italicized expression. So many dealers sell products manufactured in Japan. Many dealers sell Japanese products. So how it will be concise? Many dealers sell products manufactured in Japan. Many dealers sell Japanese products. So manufactured here is the missing and using an adjective instead of italicized words expression. Olives imported from Spain are sold in supermarket. Olive imported from Spain are sold in supermarket. Here outlet Spain's olive are sold in supermarket. They spoke in words that were full of bitterness. They spoke words that were full of bitterness. They spoke bitterness words. Number 3, I read an article on the internet about Inuits who live in Canada. I read an article on the internet about Inuits who live in Calcutta. I read articles uh, I read Canadian article on the internet. Coffee grown in Brazil is flavorful. Coffee grown in Brazil is flavorful. Brazil's coffee is flavorful. He never makes a move that he never makes a move that involves risks. He never makes a move that involves risks. He never takes risk. Number 6, many girls made by hand are deeply appreciated. Many girls made by hand are deeply appreciated. Uh, mm, Many girls made by hand are deeply appreciated. Many gifts made by hand are deeply appreciated. Uh, so uh, uh, handmade gifts are deeply appreciated. Number 7, in every class there are students who gives to the in every class there are students who give into laziness. In every class there are students who give into laziness. In every class there are students who give into laziness. In every class there are students who give into laziness. In every class there are students who give into laziness. Laziness in every class uh, mm, in every class students are lazy. In every class students are lazy. Number 8, what is the name of the ambassador from the Commonwealth Australia? What is the name of the ambassador from the Commonwealth of Australia? What is the name of the Commonwealth what is the name of the Australia's ambassador? Another composition lead before using an adjective makes sure that is needed. Question, what is the wrong with the following sentence? We want the true facts. Before using an adjective make sure that is needed. Question, what is the wrong with the following sentence? What want to true facts? We want the true facts. What is the wrong with the following sentence? We want the true fact. Answer, the adjective true is not needed because all facts are true. The sentence should read, we want the fact. What is the wrong with the following sentence? We want question we want the true facts. We want the true facts. Okay, the adjective true needed because all facts are true. The sentence should read, we want the facts. Okay, which adjective should be removed because they are unnecessary? Put some cold ice put some puts some cold ice cubes into lemonade. Put some cold ice cubes into lemonade. Put some cubes into lemonade. I was stupid fool. So I was a fool. A young rich millionaire has brought the a young rich millionaire. A young millionaire has bought the painting. We were never told the real truth. We were never told the truth. And number 4, Anthony wept the sight of Caesar's death corpse. Anthony wept the sight of Caesar's death corpse. Anthony Okay, next 5. Draw a round article. Draw a round circle. Draw a circle. Number 6. The end result was that we lost the game. The end result was we lost the game. We lost the game. Do you own any old antiques? Do you own any old antiques? Do you own any antiques? Number 8. One student slept throughout the entire assembly. One student slept throughout the entire assembly. One student slept entire assembly. Number 9. It happened on a summer evening in July. It happened on summer evening in July. It happened in July. Number 10. A cold icy wind is blowing from the northeast. A cold icy wind. Icy wind is blowing from the northeast. Thank you for listening.